Welcome to Good Food, recipes you and your guests will love. Today's recipe is wedge salad with buttermilk ranch dressing. Please see the full recipe in the description down below. Okay, we're going to make our buttermilk ranch dressing. We're going to add half a cup of buttermilk, 2.5 tablespoons of sour cream, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, going to add a clove of minced garlic, half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, some lemon juice, and some dill, and stir that all up. Now we're going to make our wedge salad. So take your head of iceberg lettuce, take off the outer loose leaves, cut your lettuce in half, and then cut the half into wedges. Place on a plate and take your dressing and add generous amount on top of your lettuce. Now this dressing can be refrigerated for up to 1 week in a covered container inside your refrigerator, and now you can add some bacon if you like, or some prosciutto, some diced tomatoes, and serve with your main dish. If you would like to see a specific recipe, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.